Ah, all clean. Put that to the side. Don't need it now. One more sip of coffee. Here we are with the lens. Again, it reads EGHA 1059 Alex Express. I'm on low. There's the heat. Now that's hot. I'm heating up the glass. I'm heating the glass, and then I'm going to heat around here. I'm going to back off. This is hot. That is hot. Now I'm going to come in here. I'm going to work it off. Almost off. There we go. It's off. This is great glue, not for this. This is the best glue to use, foam cure. This is equivalent to foam cure. It is just about the same. I'm going to start to put a bead around here, the edging. I don't need a lot. I'm going to make sure the plastic's here so I can get it on the tip of it. And I'm going to work it right on the edging. How much you want to use is all up to you. Notice how I tilt it away? I try to get it on the opposite sides. Drop it on. Snap it into place. Clean it up. Wrap both lenses around. Stick the silicone case on. That applies enough pressure. If I want to just add a security of it staying on, I'll come down later. All done.